Exciting events and offers that customers will surely enjoy were introduced during last week's Globe Innovation Fest 2022. Among these are the special packages for customers in the Philippines to enjoy the popular streaming service, Disney+.
At last, Filipinos can access incredible content from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, National Geographic, and Star, starting in just 2 weeks' time on November 17.
And for football fans, good news, as Globe also announced its partnership with TAP Digital Media Ventures Corporation for the Philippine broadcast of the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 on TAP Go TV pay-per-view, happening this November and December. While for K-poppers, stay tuned for exclusive offers, early access, merch giveaways, and unique on-ground experiences for Globe's customers in the highly anticipated Born Pink World Tour of K-pop supergroup Blackpink this March 25 and 26, 2023 in Manila. Other events to look forward to are the Head in the Clouds Festival and competitions for the K-Munity. Meanwhile, in terms of education, the telco also launched their Search for Heroes of Learning to honor those who championed learning through technology, as well as their Google Career Certificate.
These certificates, built and taught by Google, are designed to provide learners from all backgrounds with digital skills within an estimated time of 3 to 6 months. Ino-offer natin ito sa ating low prepaid and TM customers so they can make the most out of the program.
On connectivity, Globe has various pioneering and affordable offers, such as its Globe at Home that can provide fiber-to-the-room technology and its TM Bayan Fiber Wi-Fi. For the more mobile market, new Go Plus promos are also now available with more freebie offerings. It also has ongoing innovations in Web3 and the Metaverse to help Filipinos live a life without boundaries with immersive experiences through its partnership with Metaverse Go.
So you've seen the PH Metaverse in action and you'll be seeing more of it as we bring more events from our PH pillars, namely Go Jam, Go Watch, Go Korean, Go Esports, and Go Hustle. So to experience more of PH Metaverse, just go to globevirtualhangouts.ph, sign up now, and you can check out all our past events and watch out for the upcoming ones.
Here at Globe, wonderful is something we hope for every day. Kaya naman, maaasahan nyo ang Globe na pagandahin ang araw-araw. As the most reliable network in the country, we take this commitment to heart. Our mission is clear. Nandito kami para pagandahin ang araw-araw.